Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Forza Horizon 6 not launching on the Xbox app and Microsoft Store on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If the game crashes, shows an error, or doesn't open at all, the problem could be caused by corrupted game files, outdated drivers, damaged app data, or missing system components. So in this tutorial, I'll show you several methods to fix the problem. Let's get started. Solution 1. Verify and repair Forza Horizon 6. First, open the Xbox app. Select Forza Horizon 6. Click on the three dots. Select Manage. Open the Files tab. Now click on Check for Updates. This will check for a new update that may fix your issue. If that didn't work, click on Verify and Repair. A message will appear saying, choosing to verify and repair your files will reset Forza Horizon 6 to its original settings. You won't retain mod files, and game saves that are not backed up may also be lost. Click Yes to continue. Now wait for Forza Horizon 6 to be scanned and repaired. Once finished, launch the game again. Solution 2. Open the Start menu. Open Settings. Go to Apps. Open Installed Apps. Locate Forza Horizon 6. Click on the three dots next to it. Select Advanced Options. Scroll down to the Reset section. First, click Repair. This will repair the game without deleting your data. If the game is still not working, click Reset. A warning will appear saying that the app's data, preferences, and sign-in information will be deleted. Click Reset again. Solution 3. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open it. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. Wait for Windows to install the latest drivers. Solution 4. Update drivers using NVIDIA app. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, open the Start menu and type NVIDIA app. Open it. Go to the Drivers tab. Click on Check for Updates. Now install the latest graphics drivers. Solution 5. Install Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. Open the link provided in the description of this video. Scroll down until you find vc_redis.x86 and vc_redis.x64. Download both files. Now locate the downloaded files. Double-click vc_redis.x64. Click Yes. Accept the terms and install it. Once finished, click Close. Do not restart your PC yet. Now double-click vc_redis.x86. Click Yes. Accept the terms and install it. Once installation is complete, restart your computer. Solution 6. Set Forza Horizon 6 to High Performance Mode. Open Settings. Go to System. Click on Display. Now click on Graphics. Select Add Microsoft Store App. Choose Forza Horizon 6. Now expand Forza Horizon 6. From the drop-down menu, select High Performance. Now launch the game again. After completing all these methods, launch Forza Horizon 6 and check if the game opens correctly. Forza Horizon 6 should now launch properly on the Xbox app and Microsoft Store. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.